6 configurations, 1 ladder, easy locking, endless possibilities. Why buy many ladders when one can do it all? Introducing FALCON FPAL-2011. The ultimate folding ladder that makes all heightened tasks effortless and safe. Strong, stable and sturdy quality ensures user safety and faster operations. Its robust aluminium body encourages seamless working. The 12 feet ladder ensures effortlessness whether you are gardening, cleaning or getting the job done up high with confidence. The versatile ladder reduces risk of user falling and ensures easy working access. With automatic locking system and 6 working positions, this folding ladder adapts to every task, every height, every home. The sturdy rubber shoes ensure no slipping, just uninterrupted working. Strong, stable and smartly designed, FALCON has 2 ladders to unlock easy working at height. The unique foldable design makes it easy to carry and store at just 3.5 feet height.